Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. We are going to create something truly magic and Christmas house made entirely with the simple ice cream sticks. Yes, those teeny wooden sticks can be turned into a beautiful festival decoration for your home and especially Christmas event. The craft is super budget friendly, fun to make with kids or family and look absolutely stunning when finished. So grab your glue gun, a pack of ice cream sticks, and let's bring Christmas magic to life. For the craft, you will need ice cream sticks, lots of them, hot glue gun or strong craft glue, cardboard for the base, acrylic paint or spray paint, a few small Christmas ornaments like bells, stars, cotton or snow or fairy lights, and of course, a little patience and creativity. Once you have everything ready, let's begin. Viewers, first we need to strong foundation. Take a piece of cardboard and cut into a rectangle. This will be the ground where our Christmas house will stand. Now take your ice cream sticks and start gluing them side by side to make the floor. Make sure the sticks are aligned neatly and firmly attached. This will give a smooth and wooden look to our house base, already looking like a teeny wooden cabin, right? The viewers, you can watch all tutorial on my channel. There is some pictures for your reference and guiding you for how to build a Christmas house for your upcoming Christmas event. So next, let's build the walls of our Christmas house. Take two sticks, place them vertically and glue several sticks across the horizontally to form panels. Repeat his step to make for wall panel. Now carefully join the panels together using glue, creating a square or rectangle shape for the house. Hold each comes for a few seconds until the glue sets. You will see your little Christmas house taking steps and shapes. One more tips, if you want to window or door, just leave some space while gluing the sticks. It makes the house look even more realistic. Christmas house is incomplete without a cozy little roof covered in snow. To make the roof glue stick together, the triangle panels, create two panels and then fix them on top of the wall to form slanted roof. Once the roof is attached, add extra sticks across the strength. Now for the snowy effects, take cotton and gently glue it along the edge of the roof. Does not it look like fresh snow has just fallen on a winter cabin? Now comes the most exciting part, decorating our Christmas house. Paint the house with acrylic, maybe a warm brown from the wooden, red for the door or green window frames, and teeny Christmas bells, glitter or small stars on the roof. If you have fairy lights, carefully place them around the house to make it glow beautifully at night. So you can also sprinkle a little white paint on the roof and floor to give a snowy Christmas vibe. And for an extra festival touch, place a small Christmas tree made of paper or felt right beside the house. And there you have it, your very own homemade Christmas house made with ice cream sticks. It's simply eco-friendly and absolutely beautiful as holiday decoration. You can keep it on your table, by the window, or even under the Christmas tree. Don't forget to share this craft with your friends and family. And if you try it, let's know in the comments how your Christmas house turned out. Thanks for watching and I will see you with the creative holiday DIY. Until the Merry Christmas, a happy crafting.